This is hopefully a short video on index fossil and fossil assemblage and how they help us determine the age of rock formations. An index fossil, ideally, is a fossil that has a short geologic time span, but yet has a wide global distribution. So it's found all over the place, or as wide a place as possible. A fossil assemblage is when you have two or more fossils contained in a rock. And this helps us determine the age of a rock formation. If you have two or more fossils, then you're trying to find the smallest amount of time that is shared by each of those fossils. For instance, if we have a rock that contains only this fossil at the very top, if we look at the time span of the genus of this fossil, we see that it covers the Cambrian period to recent, which is today. That is a very long stretch of geologic time, over 500 million years. Now, if we have a rock that contains these two fossils, the geologic range of this fossil here in the middle of this table goes from the Silurian to the Mississippian. So this is the smallest amount of time that both of these fossils share. So the age of a rock that would contain these fossils would be the Silurian period to the Mississippian. And that covers a much smaller amount of geologic time, 125 million years. Still quite a bit. Can we get it any more direct? Any shorter amount of geologic time? And we see that we can. This fossil here that you see on the last column has a geologic span of only the Devonian period. So the shortest amount of time that all three of these fossils share in one rock is this period. And this period covers a much smaller amount of time, 57 million years. So the more fossils you have in a rock formation, the better you're able to determine the geologic age. Out of these three fossils, the worst index fossil is this fossil here on the far left of the table, of the chart, because it has the longest amount of time. The best index fossil of the three is the one at the last column of the chart, because it has the smallest amount of time. This should help you for the last portion of your weekly assignment. I hope it does.